You're not sure if you should be buying a condo or a townhouse because the HOA fees. Let me tell you something, HOA fees have their benefits. HOA is there for maintaining the outside of the property and everything that's outside, even maintaining the grass, and then snow removal, siding, roof, and sometimes they even offer you some amenities. Is it a good option for you to buy a condo or townhouse? It really all depends. Are you a person that is very busy and then always working and want to be able to enjoy activities outside and not having to worry about ongoing issues for snow removal, maintenance of grass, or anything like that? Then, HOA could be a benefit to you. You have everything in one place. Sometimes you have pool that's shared by the community. You have a tennis court. You have a lot of maintenance things that you don't have to worry about. It's a very good way to start the ownership of a home without having a high cost of ownership. Let's just face it, if you buy a house, you will have maintenance that you're gonna have to take care of on a regular basis, and that's even inside and outside. So if you're not sure which way to go, I would say just look at your lifestyle. What does your lifestyle look like right now? Are you a busy professional that don't have the time to maintain the outside? Then I would say, yeah, maybe townhouses and condos are a good option for you. Or if you're a person that definitely want to enjoy more of a backyard space, you're okay with the additional maintenance costs that you will have on owning a single family house or a multi-family house, at that point you can go the other way.